Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to split one photo into a 4-page poster in Canva. This technique is perfect for creating large prints for home decor, events, classroom displays, or promotional materials. We'll start inside Canva by creating the space where everything will live. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. Type in the size you want for your poster design, select your units, and confirm by clicking Create New Design. Picking a size that matches your intended print or display helps everything line up cleanly later, so choose carefully. If your poster is tall, set it up in a vertical orientation. If it's wide, go horizontal. Next, bring your photo into Canva. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your image. A high-resolution photo works best because we'll be enlarging sections of it, and you want each piece to look crisp when printed. Images with even lighting and clear details work best to prevent any loss of quality across multiple pages. Add the image to the canvas by clicking it once. It will drop onto the page. Now resize it so it completely fills the entire page, edge to edge. Drag from the corners to keep it proportional, and let Canva's snapping guides help you align to the edges so there's no unintended white border. Next, duplicate the image and fix it so every copy is perfectly aligned. The easiest way to do this is to duplicate the page so the photo sits in the exact same position on each page. Create as many duplicates as you need for your layout. 4 pages for a classic 2x2 poster. The key is that the image doesn't shift between pages. Keeping it locked in place ensures each cropped piece will fit together seamlessly. Time to crop each piece on the first page. Click the image, then click Crop. In the top toolbar, drag the crop box so it shows only the top left section of your photo. Confirm the crop, move to the next page, and repeat, this time cropping to the top right. Do the same for the bottom left and bottom right on the remaining pages. Take your time to align the crop box carefully, aiming to split the image at the halfway point so edges meet precisely. Zooming in while cropping can help you place the boundaries more accurately. When everything looks right, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then Download, and choose your file type. PNG works well for general use, while PDF print is ideal for high-quality printing. Make sure all pages are selected, so you get every section. Then click Download. And that's it! You now have perfectly tiled pieces of your photo, ready to print and assemble into a larger poster. With these tips, your posters will look professional, precise, and impressive, whether for personal projects or events. Thanks so much for watching! If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new design tip or Canva tutorial. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. If you have any questions, ideas, or want me to cover a specific Canva effect in the next video, drop a comment below. I love hearing your suggestions and helping you create amazing designs.